technology plays a big part in our company. Like I've said before, the design part of the company. If we get the designs absolutely 100% right from the start, it gives us the flexibility to get subcontracting parts done, maybe laser cutting, standardisation of parts, so we can bulk produce certain standard components. There's quite a lot of things that we can do from that design end. The other thing that technology has helped us with is during the pandemic is, like I say, the remote working, making sure that everything is secure. People can work from home. If there might be, people might have COVID symptoms or something like that in the, at the current stage, but they can still work from home and still be productive, still earn a wage and still assist the company. So there's been lots of things like that we've done to keep the momentum going. 3D printers, funnily enough, our new technical documentation writer that I said we've recently employed has got a bit of a hobby with 3D printers, and he's actually opened my eyes into the possibilities of what can be done. We recently did a project whereby, without going into too much detail, there were special attachments on a chain conveyor, and without going to the expense of machining, stainless steel blocks, etc., he produced a drawing and went and did it on his 3D printer and bought it in from home, and I was absolutely amazed with the potential.